Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video we're going to be talking about, is Medmen stock a buy before earnings report? We'll be discussing in this video. Right now the stock is trading down. I honestly believe it's gambling. But I do believe in Medmen the long term. I do believe earnings is going to be in the area of losses, because there's no way they can go from a negative $60 million from one quarter to making money the next quarter. That would be a dramatic change, but that would fly the stock pretty hard, at least in my opinion. But I do not think they will flip a profit. I think they will be in a loss, and I think Medmen will not really do anything. It will kind of trade sideways simply because the entire stock market is down. But that's just my opinion, not financial advice. If you want to buy Medmen, you are welcome to do it, because I'm not your financial advisor. I am not, I'm not qualified to give people advice. So it's just my opinion. I think that Medmen's not going to really move anywhere after earnings, but I'm very interested in earnings, and yeah, that's my opinion. So True Eve and Acreage Holdings both had their earnings. Acreage Holding 487% revenue growth, and True Eve was 44.5 million, 192% revenue growth with profit. So that's pretty good. But yet True Eve is selling off in the morning. So True Eve profitable, yes. They grew their revenues 192%, yet their stock is selling off. Acreage Holdings revenue growth 487%, yet Acreage Holdings stock is selling off, but they did lose some money, but it's still selling off simply because the market is very volatile right now, and investors don't care about the earnings. So that's why I think that Medmen won't really move anywhere. I think Medmen might even go down after earnings report, unless they report a profit, which I don't think it will happen. But this is just my opinion, not financial advice. You guys can do whatever you want. It's your money. Disney. Okay, so I guess I broke my rule today. I sold 2 stocks today. I sold Disney right in the morning at $132. I'm just thinking that the market is volatile right now, so I should be careful, and the stock is downtrending, so that's another bad sign. So first of all, it's downtrending. On top of that, the market is volatile, so I think that Disney could drop below 130. At least it's just my opinion. I still have 2 call options on Disney, which I haven't sold yet. In the morning, the market sold off, so that's the reason why everything is so bad right now. I was saying that the market was possibly gonna crash. Oil is going down pretty hard. Everything is going down pretty hard. So yeah, yesterday was almost a percent. Today is another almost percent day, so it's pretty bad, pretty volatile. Canopy, because the market is volatile, Canopy dropped 3.57%. Canopy may continue to sell off further. Afria, I did sell off my Afria share today because I was profitable on my Afria position, so I decided to get rid of my Afria position before I go into the negative. So I do plan to buy back those shares, but I want to reset my position on it. So yeah, I sold off some of my Afria share at a profit, and I'm hoping to rebuy back in hopefully tomorrow or another day. But I thought that, market is down, Aurora is going to go down, Canopy is going to go down, Afria is probably going to go down. So I was correct, Afria went down. And Aurora went down because, the market is volatile right now. So I don't know if this sell-off will continue, but I'm expecting it to go down further. That's what the charts are telling me. I'm thinking that, you know, the low $9 would be a good opportunity to pick up to start picking up some shares in Aurora again, but you know, I don't know if it will go all the way down there. I'm just thinking it could go down there. I'm hoping it goes down there, but it may not. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what Aurora's future hold. So before I talk about Tesla, I'm going to play a video on Jim Cramer talking about Elon Musk over a year ago. This one's a little funny, so I thought I'd share it. So let's go.
Ignore the noise. I have tinnitus. Can't ignore the noise. All right, now get this. All right, let's go over this. This was the best call I've heard in a long time. I'm going to tell you why.
Okay.
First, everyone wants to cut off Tony Saganegi. He is Mr. Negative. Most of the CEOs that I talk to say, that guy. All he does is talk negatively. So he went negative. Elon Musk had it. I like that. Secondly, how about this, Jim? We have no interest in satisfying the desires of day traders. I couldn't care less. Please sell our stock, don't buy it. How good is that? That is the truth. And then finally, he says about the individual investors, he says it to Galileo, not to Copernicus, not to Einstein, but a guy actually named Galileo on the call. He goes, I think if people are concerned about volatility, they should definitely not buy our stock. I'm not here to convince you to buy our stock. Do not buy it if volatility is scary. Amen. Isn't that exactly what we want? I mean, if I were Elon Musk, I would have done the exact same thing.
I can't figure out whether you're being sarcastic or not, and that's a first for me.
No, I'm not being sarcastic. These are all the things that should be said. If you own this, if you're a hedge fund, get the hell out of my stock. If you don't like volatility, get the hell out of my stock. Thank you. You know what this is called? Truth from Musk. Truth.
What if you're a long-term holder who just wants information about the three?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I don't think that's as important as what's under the hood. I think the car guys, you know.
I still.
No, I am not kidding. Tony Saganegi, I've had enough of him too. I am with Elon. Let's go to YouTube, okay? Let's go to YouTube. And the guy who was on YouTube, hey man, he loved the car.
He loved
What's
the
the matter
car.
with that?
By the way, it was RBC analyst Joseph Spack who asked about the Model 3 reservation.
Yeah, what was that all
And that's
about?
a key area here because people are trying to understand exactly how many have been, deposits have converted to actual commission cars, and he wouldn't answer that.
I thought it was so much better than what he could have done, which would have said if I were Musk, if I would be a simulation of Musk. Remember he told me that I was a simulation.
Yes, I know.
There's a push me pull you. I would have said we have even more reservations than ever. So he didn't do that. He just cut the guy off. None of this is. I'm kidding. None of this. And then what he has to do. You know what's going on this weekend? You know what's going on this weekend, right?
No.
Kentucky Derby.
Besides Cinco de Mayo at Bar St. Miguel and Kentucky Derby, it's Buffett's weekend.
Yes.
This is Musk's plea for help. He has to have a Tesla weekend. He has to close the Gigafactory, not just because he has to retool. He has to close the Gigafactory and just have the flock out there, okay? Because he doesn't want the flock on the call.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube.
So, yeah, I thought it was kind of funny. I did buy some shares of Tesla this morning. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, okay, audio is working. And then what happened? The stock went up. So, I wish I bought more. I only bought 53 shares this morning, and the stock went up. Kind of pissed off about that. I could go in and I could buy some more shares. I still think $191 is a very attractive price point. I don't know. I'm still deciding if I want to buy more or less or whatever. But 190 is still an attractive price point. But the market is still volatile. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm hoping that it still tanks a little bit more. Maybe back to 185. Then I'll definitely be making a position in it. I should have bought a call option this morning too, but I didn't, and I lost out a little bit. But oh well, that's life. Shopify, finally a little bit of a sell-off, but Jesus Christ, this stock is just insane. Just like bam, 137% in like since the crash of December 24th. Shopify has just been on a tear up. If you bought some call options on December 24th, long-term call options, or even some stock, you would have been up massively, doubled your money at least. That's crazy. Something I just want to point out. Oh, right. No. I don't know why I have WCF Tech up. AMD's trading down because why? Because the market is down. So, that's good. I like seeing that because I can buy more call options on AMD. I sold off my some call options, and I could buy some more once it hits maybe 20, but in the low 28s. Maybe if it dips to the 27s. Yeah, that would definitely. Microsoft is down $1.32. Makes me happy to see this because I have put options on Microsoft and I'm up like 30 or 40% right now. Makes me happy to see Microsoft go down. And I think it may continue to go down further, or I can sell, take profit, and run. My option does expire on Friday, so I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, but I might sell, I might not. Who knows? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.